This is 2.2.1 where we investigate adding integers. And this is a problem about Cecil. Cecil is an acrobat, and Cecil walks on a tightrope. And so if I'm looking at this picture right here of Cecil, Cecil starts at this point on the left side. He's going to walk 24 feet to the end of the tightrope to that point right there. Now, any positive number is going to represent Cecil moving to the right. Any negative number is going to represent Cecil moving left on a number line. So what you are going to do is you're going to type in this shortened URL right here, and it is going to bring you to a website. So I want you to do that, type that in, get to this website. Now the website that you're going to get to looks like this. So here is a simulation of Cecil on the tightrope. Notice you see the 24 feet, which means the tightrope is 24 feet long. But on the left side, you see all the different moves that Cecil can make. Again, a negative number means he's moving to the left, and a positive number means Cecil is moving to the right. So what you're going to do is you can just click on these different movements. So if I want him to move 4 spaces to the right, I click on the 4. If I want him to move 2 spaces to the left, I click on the -2. I'm going to continue a series of movements, but I do want him to end up at the very end on the right, where that little X is on the screen. Now, if I'm looking at the images that I have, it looks like Cecil's at the end. So now I want to see if it actually worked. So I'm going to go right here where it says play, and notice that Cecil does his movements. And at the very end, there's a little celebration, there's a big cheer. So Cecil has made it. And what you are going to do is you're going to write down your expression that got Cecil from the starting point to the ending point. So if I click here to add solution, notice it says congratulations, and they give me a whole math expression that says it equals 24 feet. What you are going to do is you're going to copy down that expression on your paper to show that it works. Okay, so 4 plus -2 plus 8 plus 2 plus 10 plus 2 equals 24. Now your expressions might be shorter than that, they might be longer, but we do want them to equal 24 feet. So what you will do, I want you to do 2 more of these. So again, when you click add solution, it'll start over. And I only want you to write down your expression if it works. If it doesn't work, if Cecil falls off, I don't want you to write it down, okay? Now, once you come up with your 2 expressions, then you are going to go and try out different puzzles. So here's how you do that. When you go up to this little notebook, click on the notebook and the pen, it says create a puzzle, choose a puzzle, or save. We're going to choose a puzzle. Now, if you're done with the 24-foot puzzle, you're going to click on the 17-foot puzzle. So notice now my tightrope is 17 feet long, but I also have different moves. Now Cecil can move 2 spaces to the left or the right, 3 spaces to the left or the right, and 10 spaces to the left or the right. So you're going to do the same movements that you did for the 24-foot puzzle, and you're going to come up with 2 expressions that will get Cecil from the beginning to the end of this tightrope. Okay, then when you're done with that, you will go to choose a puzzle, and you will go to the 15-foot puzzle. Now, you are going to continue this until you are all done with all of the puzzles. Now, if you are done, you can actually go here and you can create a puzzle where you get to decide how long the tightrope is, and you get to decide all the movements. So can Cecil take 2 steps at a time, 3 steps, 5 steps, 8 steps, whatever. And then you can create that puzzle, and you can save and you can share that with us. So go ahead. Again, you're going to go to choose puzzle. You're going to start with 24 feet. Come up with 2 expressions for each puzzle.